International research team uncovers previously undetected electric field in Earth's upper atmosphere. For decades, scientists have known Earth's atmosphere leaks into outer space above its poles. However, they were unable to explain the mechanism by which this happens. In 2022, the US National Aeronautics and Space Administration, or NASA, launched a rocket that flew through the so-called polar wind, taking electrical measurements along the way. During the flight, a photoelectron spectrometer detected a persistent potential of 0.55 volts. More recently, a multinational group of physicists concluded this seemingly insignificant amount of power is enough to move hydrogen and oxygen ions away from the planet and through the ionosphere. The scientists thus propose that the electric field around Earth is as vital for the existence of life as are gravity and magnetism. Our appreciation, physicists and NASA, for your discovery. May we always treasure our amazing universe in God's magnanimous love.
Veganism asserts that the millennial-long tradition of eating meat and other animal products is wrong. It challenges the dominant norm of omnivorous diets. It raises awareness of prejudices such as speciesism, the differing treatment of animals based on their species, and it demands societal change. Ellie Atayi Bennett, vegan. Animal Pupil Rescue Organization in United States helps animal citizens affected by Los Angeles County wildfires. As the designated center for small animal persons care during the January 2025 Eaton fire that displaced over 100,000 people, the nonprofit Pasadena Humane provided emergency treatment and shelter for injured animal residents and pet companions brought in by evacuees. Kevin McManus, the organization's public relations and communications manager, tells us more.
We did a lot of work in the field, providing food and water to animals whose homes were okay, but their families just couldn't get to them. We call that sheltering in place. And we did sheltering in place for over 1,000 animals during the couple weeks of the fire. So we would go to people's homes, leave food and water for their pets, with flocks of animals. We were just going to people's homes to provide food, clean water, and check on the animals, make sure they didn't need any medical care. We took in 1,500 animals into the shelter. And a lot of that was for emergency boarding purposes. So people who had to evacuate their homes because of being in the path of the fire or in an evacuation area. We were the emergency boarding facility for these folks. We still have 150 animals that we're caring for at no charge to the people.
Pasadena Humane also offered free food to animal residents and supplies to help pet guardians affected by the fires. The shelter received an influx of dog folk and invited the community to adopt a canine friend. Dog individuals are spayed or neutered, vaccinated, and microchipped before adoption and can be viewed on Pasadena Humane's website. Our heartfelt thanks, Pasadena Humane, for aiding our animal friends in distress. May all the lovely animal people at your shelter find loving forever homes in divine benevolence.
Vegan, because we want to teach our children to be loving and kind.
Macho Man? Aha! You are a vegan.